salt. For cucumber, we call 青瓜 in Cantonese and 小黄瓜 in Mandarin. For vinegar, we call bak chou in Cantonese and bai chu in Mandarin. For sugar, we call tong in Cantonese and tang in Mandarin. For salt, we call yan in Mandarin and yim in Cantonese.
So first, we are going to cut the cucumbers. So this is how you do it. First, you need to cut the head and tail at the ends, and then we're going to cut this into really small slices like this, approximately something like this, and then etc. for the rest of this. Okay, so after cutting all the cucumbers like here, we are going to add some salt, and then we toss this whole thing up, and then we leave it for a while. The reason why we do this is because there are so many water in the cucumber, so we are going to add some salt to to soften the texture of the cucumber. So approximately 1 teaspoon, 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, and then we toss it up to make sure there is even distribution for all the cucumbers. So after a few while, you can see after adding the salt, you can see something really clear like this. You can see the water is coming out like this. So right now we're going to remove the water, and then we're going to wash away the excess salt, and then we're going to do the seasoning. Now we're going to add the seasonings. So first we're going to adjust the sourness of the white vinegar, because it will be very sour. So we're going to add 1, 2, approximately 3 tablespoons of this, or 4. And then we're going to toss it a bit. And then we're going to add some sugar. Maybe 2 teaspoons of this, and then we're going to mix it. Way to go, guys. So right now you know how to make this really simple cold dish called sweet and sour cucumber, which is 涼拌青瓜 in Cantonese or 涼拌小黃瓜 in Mandarin. I hope you like what I've introduced to you today. Be sure to share and give me a like and subscribe. And more cold dishes will coming soon. And I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. 我哋下次見，拜拜。